Let's start by cleaning the shrimp. I've chosen to use some lovely flavorful giant red shrimp. I'll separate the head from the body, remove the shell, as well as the vein, and set the scraps aside. I'll cut them into chunks. And now we'll prepare the bisque, which is simply a nice flavorful broth that can be made using the scraps from the shellfish. I'll heat up a splash of oil in a saucepan. And as soon as it's nice and hot, I toss in the heads and shells and crush the heads with a wooden spoon. This way, our bisque will be nice and flavorful. Now, and only now, we'll pour in some cold water while they cook. The cold water creates a thermal shock, releasing a beautiful red color. I'll give it a stir and let it cook for 10 minutes. This bisque will be the extra kick that your linguine needs to give it some truly intense flavor. The bisque is ready. I'll use a strainer to filter it into a pitcher. Now I'll splash some oil in a pan and brown the shrimp thoroughly. I cook them for just a minute and then remove them from the pan. We'll put the shrimp aside while we chop up a shallot. I'll also cut the zucchini into thick half moons like this. We'll cook the shallot and zucchini in the same pan as the shrimp. When the zucchini is beautifully browned, I can add in the shrimp and turn off the stove. Using some of the bisque, I'll dilute the saffron. Now I'll put the linguine in boiling salted water. When the linguine has 3 minutes left to cook, I drain it directly into the pan, add the diluted saffron, and finish cooking it with the bisque. Obviously, the leftover bisque shouldn't be thrown away, but kept jealously in the freezer for a lovely risotto alla pescatora later on. Let's season with some fresh marjoram leaves, black pepper, and mix in some olive oil. Now we can plate it. It's time to try it. Guys, I can taste the sea.
Ciao.